I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today I am participating in Peace Craft Dolls with Tammy Powley's monthly word association challenges. And this month, December, is travel. And I think differently than my youngest son thinks when I think the word travel. My youngest son and his wife have and do travel the world. It's easier to ask them where they haven't gone rather than where they have gone. They both speak like, I don't know, 8, 10 languages fluently. It's a big deal. Me, I'm very simple. When we talk about getting pizza, we don't go in the evening by car. Darren and I ride our bikes down to town. It's about just less than 7 miles one way, and we go have pizza there. I used to, believe it or not, in St. Louis County, take my sled dogs through the McDonald's drive-thru. I was actually on TV on the, used to be called Pertzborn's People, and they had me on there. My sled dogs, there's no cruelty in sled dogs like you've been told. Our dogs slept in our beds. I mean, these were our pets. Darren and I also, we have never snowboarded yet, but we do cross-country ski. I still have the sleds from when I was a kid, and we would travel down. My mom and dad lived on a hill, and we would go flying down that hill into our neighbor's chain link fence. That's back when chain link fences were built tough. Never left a mark in it. Our feet would hit it, and we'd bounce off, and we'd laugh, and back up the hill we went. I had a pony when I was 8 and a horse when I was 13, and I've had horses and equine most of my life. I used to ride my horse over to my friends' houses. Some of the dads really liked it because I'd go inside and I would just drop the reins in the backyard, their fenced-in backyards, and my horse would eat their grass and they wouldn't have as much to mow by the time I left. Some of the mothers did not like it because they also left their little calling cards behind. I rode that horse all over to friends. We really did use him as transportation.
Shopping malls and hospital?
Yeah, I did. I went to, girl had a baby when I was in junior high school. Yes, 7th grade. And I went to see her new baby on horseback. And I also used to go to West County shopping mall on my horse, and I would tie it at the famous, in the back of famous bar to the steps, honest to God. And I'd go shopping, and I'd carry my bags home, and I'm sure Wednesday's out there thinking, oh my God, the way she's holding those reins. Sorry, Wednesday, that's the best it would set up. I have in my lifetime ridden, oh God, let me think, say it, Darren.
Galapagos?
Galapagos turtles more than once, more than twice, more than 5 times. You used to be able to ride them at Grant's Farm in St. Louis County, Missouri. I've ridden camels and elephants, horses, ponies, donkeys. I've been in carts and trained to pull carts, ponies and donkeys and goats and llamas. Animals are kind of our thing. Anyway, when I think of travel, I might think of it a little different than you do. I am going to recommend that you get out and take a walk somewhere, ride a bike somewhere, ski somewhere, enjoy life. Get out and have fun. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Thank you, Tammy, for hosting another fun monthly challenge. If you're interested in doing Tammy's challenges, you can go to her channel, leave her a note on one of her comments, and she will get back to you how to participate. It's fun. You know, every month it's something else, and I really appreciate it. Please leave a like, a comment, subscribe, and go see all the other channels, hashtag below, and you can see all the travel.